In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Alibaba app. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just exploring new platforms, having the Alibaba app on your device can make accessing a world of products easier than ever. So if you're ready to start, let's dive in. To kick things off, you'll want to open your device's app store. This could be the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store for Android users. Once your App Store is open and ready, you're going to use the search bar at the top of your screen. Typing in Alibaba will pull up a list of relevant apps, but you'll want to focus on the official one. This search method is direct and ensures you're downloading the correct app among many similar ones that might appear. After hitting the search button, carefully scroll through the results until you see the app that's simply titled Alibaba. Once you've found it, tapping directly on the name Alibaba will take you to the app's official download page. It's important to make sure you're selecting the right app, as there might be other similar apps with slightly different names or features. The Alibaba app's official page will display the familiar logo, so keep an eye out for that as a verification step. On the app's page, take a moment to look over the provided details, which include a short description, user ratings and screenshots showing its interface. This information can give you a snapshot of what to expect from the app. However, our main focus is getting it onto your device. So when you're ready, look for and tap the Get button, typically located to the right of the app's name. Sometimes this button might say Install or have a cloud icon with an arrow, but it's all the same process. After hitting Get, the app will start downloading onto your device. You may be prompted to verify your download with a password, fingerprint or face recognition, particularly if you've set up these security features. While the app is downloading, you'll notice a progress circle appear. Once it fills up and completes, the Get button will transform into an Open button, signaling that the app is now installed and ready to be explored. Downloading the Alibaba app opens up access to one of the largest global online marketplaces, putting countless products right at your fingertips. It's a straightforward process that can seamlessly enhance your shopping convenience. That's all for this walkthrough. Now that the Alibaba app is downloaded, you're ready to dig in and start browsing, buying, or just seeing what fascinating items catch your interest. Thanks for joining me and happy shopping.